Before we get into this meditation today, I'd sure appreciate your support. Consider subscribing to my channel now and you'll never miss out. Metta meditation, also called loving kindness meditation. This session will be focusing on cultivating love, compassion, and feelings of well-being for yourself as well as others. So when you are ready, get into a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. I want you to take the tip of your index finger to the tip of your thumb on both hands, palms up, resting gently on your knees. You're going to be just applying a very gentle pressure so that your fingers form a circle, and the remaining 3 fingers will be outstretched. The position that you're holding your hands is called a Gyan Mudra. Benefits are reducing anxiety and anger, and it channels your life force energy. Start by taking a few deep breaths in and out, feeling your belly soften and expand with your in and out breath. We're going to be relaxing the muscles of the face, beginning with your forehead, behind your eyes. Unclench your jaw and soften your tongue. You're going to relax your shoulders and drop them away from your ears. And you're going to rest into the surface upon which you're sitting. Make sure that your posture is comfortable, but also alert. You may even feel a soft energy pulling you up so that your spine is comfortably straight. Keep breathing in and out at a pace comfortable for you. You're not forcing your breath to be anything other than what it is in this moment. There's no judging where you are, and there's no forcing. You are doing perfectly. As you continue breathing and relaxing, become very aware of where the breath is in your body. As you continue breathing, you may notice that your awareness is with your belly as it expands when you breathe in and softens as you breathe out. Or it may be with your chest, where you notice the expansion and contraction as your body inhales and exhales. As you feel your body breathing, try to stay with the breath all the way through, from the very beginning of the inhale all the way through to the end of the exhale. Today we are practicing a positive energy and loving kindness meditation. This is a practice that cultivates goodwill and universal friendliness. This practice involves repeating phrases of peace and loving kindness towards ourselves and then towards others, including friends and loved ones, acquaintances, and eventually everyone. This practice cultivates feelings of love, compassion, and connection with others, and can be a helpful tool for reducing stress, anxiety, and isolation. Make sure you're following your breath in and out of your body, feeling the sensations as your belly expands with your in-breath and as it softens with your out-breath. You're not forcing, you are just allowing your breath to be. You're not trying to change your breath in any way, and know that you are doing perfectly. And if your mind should wander during this session, see it as an opportunity to cultivate mindfulness and concentration. So each time you notice the mind wandering, you're strengthening your ability to recognize this and bring your attention back to your breath. You're strengthening your focus, and you're seeing this as an opportunity and not a problem. Always return your focus to your breath. So begin the session by bringing your mind to yourself as you sit here right now, and try to connect with your own deepest intentions for happiness, peace, and safety. You're just connecting with your natural desires of what you feel would make you happy. You can cultivate this intention to open the heart to your own well-being by saying these statements slowly to yourself. And as you do, take time to fully embrace, fully connect with their meaning and the intention behind them. In your head, slowly offer yourself these phrases. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be peaceful. May I be well. May I be safe. May I be at ease. Now I would like you to bring someone to mind that you have positive feelings towards. This could be a loved one, a friend, a mentor, or even a pet. Connect with your natural desire to see this person happy and at ease. Just like you, this person wants to be happy, to feel safe, and to be healthy. In an effort to cultivate this intention of kindness, you can offer this person these phrases. Take time to fully embrace and connect with their meaning and the intention behind them. In your head, slowly offer yourself these phrases. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be peaceful. May you be well. May you be safe. May you be at ease. Now let this person go from your mind and bring to mind a neutral person. This is someone you see maybe regularly, but you don't know very well. It could be somebody who works somewhere you go, a neighbor, or a coworker. Although you don't know this person well, you can recognize that this person wants to be happy as well. You don't need to know what their happiness looks like necessarily. But again, offer this person the phrases of loving kindness, connecting with the intention to care about their well-being. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be peaceful. May you be well. May you be safe. May you be at ease. Now let this neutral person go and bring to mind someone that you find difficult. And it's up to you whether you choose the most difficult person in your life or someone who is just slightly difficult. It could just be someone that you find yourself being agitated or annoyed by. And you can offer these phrases, recognizing that this is connecting with our intention to care for this person. Although we may not mean it wholeheartedly every time we offer a phrase, we can make an effort with our intentions. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be peaceful. May you be well. May you be safe. May you be at ease. Now let this difficult person go and bring to mind the world, to everyone. As you follow my voice, imagine connecting to all of humanity, knowing that everyone wants to have a sense of well-being and peace. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be peaceful. May you be well. May you be safe. May you be at ease. Take time to feel the energy of what you have sent out today. And even if you feel nothing has changed within yourself or others, know that it has. Simply connecting your intention with the power of your desire is one of the most powerful and loving acts that you can perform. Continue following your breath in and out of your body. Knowing that you have transformed not just yourself, but others today. You can revisit this space often and continue your healing work for yourself and for others. We're going to do 3 cleansing breaths to wake back up. So on your first breath in and out, I want you to wiggle your toes. On your next breath in and out, I want you to wiggle your fingers. And on your third breath in and out, feel free to move your head side to side. Rotate your shoulders in little circles and come back to the room in which you're resting.